What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. From meme coins to altcoins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. I got something very special for y'all. We're checking out a blockchain right now, okay? Anytime there's a new blockchain, I'm here. I love smart contracts. Anytime there's development of smart contracts, I'm here. I am here, right? This is called Onus Chain, and we're gonna dive into it. But always remember, I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Now let me tell y'all, man, this potentially could be another 10 to 50x project. Let me tell you why. It's a blockchain for mass adoption of DeFi and Web 3.0. Explore the ecosystem. 3.5 million users are using Onus Chain, guys. 3.5 million users already using Onus Chain. It's a community blockchain that targets the mass market and serves as a resource for teams developing Web 3.0 and DeFi products. Developed on BNB application sidechain, faster transaction speed, support DeFi and Web 3.0 projects aiming for mass adoption, better performance and scalability, low transaction fees, contribute to the development of blockchain ecosystems with high accessibility. They already have a wallet. Who's building on Onus Chain? Onus Chain is expanding the ecosystem with advanced products in response to the mass market. They got the Rice wallet already. They got their Explorer already. Hold for Onus Explorer, home for real one-time and historical data on Onus system performance. And they got their swap already. This is a fully built blockchain. Mia Swap. Trade and earn a top decentralized exchange on Onus Chain. Let's take a look at the wallet, guys. Look at this. See? Investing in DeFi for everyone on the App Store and Google Play Store. Non-custodial wallet that helps you store, invest, and manage cryptocurrencies from one place with the best user experience. The Rice wallet. Look at this. Farming, saving, borrowing, pooling. Audited by Certic, Systack, VeryChains. Presented by VeryChains, guys. Bullish stuff, man. Look at this. Own Twitter application. 103k followers that are using the Rice wallet, and they are built on Onus Chain, right? They just got integration with Arbitrum. Arbitrum right here. Making a talk about their DAO. And Rice wallet just got that integration with Arbitrum. Absolutely bullish stuff, right? Onus Explorer. Let's take a look at their Explorer. Mainnet Onus Chain Explorer. And this is not a Block Scout Explorer. This is a fully fleshed out, developed Explorer from Onus Chain itself. 6 million blocks. 5.1 million addresses. What the frick? What the heck? I don't want. Oh man. 12.3 million transactions. Free average block time. 3 seconds. Mainnet is already live, which is probably why it's making noise. 5.1 million addresses. What is happening here? Telling you guys, this could be a potential 10 to 100x, man. Mia Swap. Let me show you guys. Mia Swap loading up. Swap, liquidity, farm. I got the farming already, man. Look at this. 54% APR, 252%, 156%. This is Onus. This is a Onus and Mia US dope here. Onus BUSD here. Telling you guys, man. And it has a different look to like a Pancake Swap and Uniswap. It doesn't look like a fork. It looks like, you know, something that was developed. Even if it was a fork, it was developed carefully. You could tell, right? It looks very nice. It looks very nice. And they have their Twitter. How many followers they have? 8k followers. Right? Mia Swap, Magic Square. This Onus Chain. Look at this. All opportunities on Onus Chain ecosystem. Part 1. Mia Swap US DO on gate, so they already have projects in their ecosystem you guys could take a chance on. They have a bridge, new token on MiaSwap, Pi Bridge. Look at that. They burnt 48.83 million Mia. So yeah, man, fully working blockchain, Web3 decentralized trading platform, build DS without limits. This is for the developers. Lowest cost, strongest ecosystem, massive user base, 3.5 million crypto users on Onus and Rice together. These are the different Telegram channels. All they got to do now for Onus Chain is start making partnerships with bigger brands. 13.7k followers, 16% APR, multi-chain bridging, giveaways, AMA recently, partnerships with Aura Network. 66.6k followers. Look at that, man. It's a very bullish project that you have right here, man. And let's go to the chart. So right now it's up 2x. It's recently launched. I don't know, wait, hold on, let me make sure. I think this is the full history behind the project, man. I think it's brand new. I think so. I think it's a brand new project. 100 million total supply. I think it's a brand new project. Just want to make sure. But either way, it's at $1.5 million in market cap. Excuse me. From the chart on Dex Tools, it's only up 2x. Around 2x, right? 130%, give or take. Yeah, 130%, right? So from the looks of things, people are holding this floor. It may retrace back down a bit just to come back down to maybe that 1.3 mil, 1 mil market cap range, or it stays here, goes sideways, and then keeps exploding. Because 1 mil market cap is 1.5 mil market cap is a sweet entry on projects, in my opinion. It goes to 50 mil market cap, that's a 10x. How hard is it for a project to get to 50 mil? A working blockchain that has a fully fleshed out ecosystem. Not difficult at all. 50x, 100x from here, 150 mil market cap. Is that difficult? No, it's not. I'm telling y'all. So that's why I'm bringing it to y'all attention, man. That's why I'm bringing it to y'all attention. I love what I see here. Anytime I see blockchains, I'm like, blockchain, smart contracts. Hold on. Hold on a second. And yeah, man. I love what I see, man. You could tell that this was a fully developed project. It's not using Block Scout Explorer. A lot of projects, when they have their Explorer, they use Block Scout. This is not using Block Scout. I wouldn't be surprised a lot of top influencers start talking about Onus Chain, and you can see the transactions are increasing, right? They're going up. They're going up accordingly. The transactions keep going up. They have the RPC. I think this is, I'm not sure if I saw it or not, but I think it would be EVM compatible. I think so. I'm not sure. I think it's EVM compatible, so you could add it to like MetaMask and Trust Wallet. I think Trust Wallet you could add other EVM compatible blockchains, but MetaMask for sure, right? I think it's EVM compatible. Yeah, add Onus Network to your MetaMask wallet. Yeah, okay, so it's EVM compatible, right? So yeah, guys, I like what I see here. If you hold Onus Chain, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. This could be a potential great opportunity. Again, not a financial advisor, so I could be wrong, but I like what I see, man. I like what I see. And if this is your first time hearing about the project, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell as well. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Become a Patreon. $10 a month, access to my exclusive Discord, early content, exclusive content, all of this stuff early on the Patreon, guys. All of these gems that I'm finding all over the place on the Patreon. So yeah, guys, if you can, please support, man. Please support. I really appreciate it. And yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.